What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. Today we're going to be unboxing the Andis. Andis' newest addition to the arsenal, which is going to be the Resurge shaver. So I got that right here. We got the Resurge shaver. We're going to go ahead and unbox this. But without further ado, let's get to the video.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
All right, so we got the Andis Resurge shaver professional tool. We got the new branding. They rebranded, got a different logo. They're kind of just doing different things. And the packaging is A1. It's modern, you know, it's simplistic. It says easy pivot head, wet and dry shave, long hair trimmer. But there you go, there's the trimmer right there. Lithium ion battery, like I said. Gold titanium hypoallergenic foils, 60-minute runtime. But I'm not too sure how much of a charge time to runtime it is. But this is the shaver here. Level up with the sleek, innovative shaver that packs all the punches. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got inside the box here. So there we go. Andis got the logo on all sides. Create your way. So like I said, they're rebranding. It's got the magnet lock type feature here. Let's go ahead and pop this open. But there is the shaver. But before we get to the shaver, let's see what's in here real quick. Okay, Andis. So we got stickers on top of stickers on top of stickers on top of more stickers. So that's dope. Always enjoy some stickers, stick it on your mirror and whatnot. Another message from Andis. Shows you how to register your product, and I believe the charger should be in here. So let's take a look. So in this box, within the box, we got another brush that I'm probably going to be using for some color enhancement. And then you got a charging cable, which I think, no, it's a new one. So I gotta toss my old shaver cord. Well, not toss, but put it away, because I'm probably gonna replace my foil shaver, my Andis foil shaver, with this shaver. But it's a different type of charger, like I said. I forget what this is called, USB something. But let's get to the shaver here. Gonna pull this out. Let's plop this open right here. So there is your profiles. And I'm guessing this middle part is the area that cuts long hair. But I like the gold and black look that they got going there. I think there's a way for this to actually just come off completely. Yep, there we go. Oh wait, never mind. Pop that back on. I don't want this to, oh, okay, the tape is holding that. So once you do take the tape off, you'll be able to pop the lid off completely. And this has a little bit of rubber grip on it with the logo there. So you can just set it on your station and it won't budge. So that's pretty dope, but I'm digging the overall look of this. But let's go ahead and turn it on. Let me get this tape off first. So I got the tape off, like I said. So now you can just pop that on and off. And let's go ahead and turn it on. But we ain't gonna fully charge this. Just turn this on and see what it sounds like. Nice and quiet. I'm digging that. But the true test of this shaver is gonna be how well it cuts and balds out people. I know with some shavers, it takes forever to get, you know, if you're doing a skin fade or a high fade, trying to get that area balded out at the bottom, it takes a long while for most shavers. So hopefully this cuts through bulk and just eats away at that hair quick. But I'm gonna give it a good use for about, you know, a week, maybe a couple of days, and let you guys know how I feel about this. But I am digging the shape. I like the foils. I like the color scheme. I like this rubber grip here. Makes everything nice and easy. I like the rebranding on everything as well. Andis is trying to modernize their look, I see, unlike Oster and Wall. But, you know, Andis has been in the game for a minute, just like Wall and Oster. They are the grandfathers of the game. But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get this put to use and let you guys know what I think. But that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Like I said, I'm gonna use this in the shop for about a week and let you guys know how I feel about it, how I think it operates, how I think it stands the test of time. So just stay tuned, stay locked in. Got more videos to come. And until next time, God bless.